Hello everybody. Today we're going to cover very popular and I think very necessary topic, which refers to email marketing. To be completely honest, I doubt there is a person who never receives any sort of email communication which is created for the marketing purpose of brand awareness, product awareness, or some sort of loyalty retention um, need or necessity. And for this, MarTech or marketing technology is of course used really thoroughly, especially with our era of digital communications, which is absolutely clear. And without an email, I think that there is nobody really without an email address, because when you want to register to something to function, you really need to have the email address for you to register whatever. So with this tool, which is applicable to any type of person who does at least something in the online environment, usually has emails, and that's why this is the tool which is targeted by marketers to make the communication clear. So my name is Maggie. I am researcher in marketing and also a marketer. And I would like to share with you what I know so far, because my experience is quite thorough and quite broad. And here on this slide, you may see major facts about myself. And I'm not going to really stop and introduce myself because now it's the lecture number 15, so you may already know me. But here you can just go through it, visit the websites and all of that, but we'll continue with the topic at hand. So email marketing. Here, I would like to ask you to stop this video and just consider what you know about email marketing. Not even email marketing, about how you use emails and what you receive to your email box every time you actually open your email inbox. What do you see there? What are the folders? Whether you have spam messages, whether you don't have any, whether you receive something from the shops that you love, whether you receive emails from, I don't know, governmental facilities. Who knows? Maybe you receive something from your friends or something. What is there in your email inbox? What is there? Please just stop and consider what you see there and how often you clean it and all that. Just take a moment to think, to pause this video and just think about it, what you see in your email inbox or inboxes. Work, home, personal, whatever. What do you see there? You can pause, but we're not going to wait for you. We can just continue. So about email marketing, we're going to see the definition in a couple of minutes because I am a huge fan of definitions. You may already know, but the thing is that when we talk about email and email marketing, this is the direct communication between you and the brand or the organization that you want to be connected with for a very long time. At the same time, this is something that is associated with the banner blindness, so you don't necessarily read all the emails that you receive. I think it's quite rare. I mean, if you do this, it's great. I don't personally. But anyway, so you see the subject line, what it is about, who is the sender, and all that. But you can, marketers try to overcome this banner blindness. But nevertheless, this is still something that is associated with email marketing. But we'll go into discuss the definitions a little bit later. But what I want to emphasize here is that email marketing naturally comes from mail marketing. So when we had this good old paper envelopes with some sort of vouchers or brochures inside them, I mean, you still can receive any type of that, even nowadays, obviously. But now we moved, and these paper brochures and vouchers and all that ads, they moved to our pocket, to our smartphones, our laptops, our tablets. It moved there, and more or less the work is similar, but it's not just that you will receive very general communication to your email box, but rather you receive something with your name, with your level of the loyalty program if you would like to receive something from your favorite online shop. So it became too much about you. Well, too much, or it's enough? That's the question. but this is something about something that is close to you, that is close to your online behavior, that is something that you can really limit your search, your time for searching for information gathering or something. There's something which you can benefit from delivered right in your pocket, right in your email inbox that you use, I presume, every day. So the thing is that this way of email marketing, because of its quite clear applicability and affordability, can be quite frustrating for marketers because majority of organizations have these emails, have these possibilities to deliver emails for you. And there is a beauty and this sort of a problem with email marketing. But it's like a general idea for you to grasp. And let's move on to the email marketing definition. I take it from the American Marketing Association, which is a very reliable source of any sort of information and definitions. And let's see the definition on this screen. So email marketing is a form of digital marketing that refers to the use of email to attract, engage, and communicate with potential and existing customers. So we have here that as the same as marketing technology, email marketing is a form of digital marketing. So we have digital marketing as a topic, as a term, which is an umbrella term for any kind of smaller ways you can address any type of communication with your customer, with your client, with the organization you work with. So it refers to the use of emails to attract, to engage and communicate with potential and existing customers. So you can get to any type of marketing objective like brand awareness, loyalty retention, customer retention, product introduction, all of that, lead generation as well, and communicate, maybe just share some information, share useful tips, share what your customer might benefit from you, in what they might benefit from you. So communicate with potential. So for example, you go to outreach to the email address of people who don't know you, or existing customers who are already there in your CRM systems, some who are there in your mailing list. So it can be a promotional tool to inform email subscribers of new products, discounts, and other services, and can also be used for educational purposes to inform subscribers about your business value or benefit. So depending on your tone of voice, depending on how you position your brand, you then get to this way of showing what you are all about, what your organization, your brand is all about, and feel more personal, feel closer to your potential customer and your client. And with that, we move to very important terms and crucial aspects of email marketing. And let's go through these terms and these concepts and the definitions, which is really important to know these basic foundation stone. So email campaign is a set of emails sent over a specific period of time to achieve a particular goal, like promoting a product, event, or brand. So for example, if you receive plenty of emails about Black Friday discounts or sales and all that, that belongs to the email campaign per brand. Lead magnet. So a free resource or incentive that is used to attract people to subscribe to your email list. So if you receive an email with, download this voucher or show this voucher at the counter of the offline shop, I guess you can consider that to be a lead magnet. Subscriber is a person who signs up for an email list or accepts to receive email. So this is a person who is potentially interested in the prolonged communication with you as a brand. Therefore, you can certainly think that this person is someone that you can talk to and get mutual benefits from work with them. Opt-in, to opt-in as a verb, is the act of subscribing, signing up, for joining the email list. So basically, the subscribers are opted in, and they become the big part of your CRM system and your mailing list. Automation is the ability to create email templates that are sent to email subscribers automatically based on their actions. You can automate welcome emails, abandoned cart emails, and all of that. So for example, if your customer was creating an order, got distracted, you can sometimes send an email with the content of the cart or the shopping cart and tell them that, well, you were working on this order, like, can we help you with something? Or would you like to complete that? Or we're going to give you a little discount because we value so much. And then the person is more likely to remember that they want to order from you and go back. Newsletters, a periodical email that is sent to email subscribers to share news and updates about a specific topic, business, or industry. So as you can see, this comes to this to inform, right? Educational purposes to inform. So what is happening with you? Maybe there are posts that your subscribers missed. Maybe there are some announcements that you sent as a separate email within the email campaign, but they didn't see it. So maybe they can go through it in the newsletter. So this is about that email list, a collection of email addresses from people who want to receive emails from a specific organization or business, meaning you. So you are, as a subscriber, within this list of email, of email addresses, and this communication is sent to you through the from the brand itself, or maybe from the third party who is working on email marketing for the brand, whatever. But nevertheless, this is how you end up with the email dedicated, delivered to your email inbox, and the brand has its own email list of of potentially interested people in what they have to say because they got engaged in this email listing. Opt-in form is the sign-up form the website visitors use to join an email list. So for example, when you scroll down and you have this subscribe to our email list, or when you have this pop-up window with subscribe to our news or something, that's exactly what opt-in form is about. Subject line, a short email headline that explains what an email is about in a snapshot. Honestly, this is one of the most crucial thing in email marketing. So when a person just opens the smartphone, there has to be something that catches their attention. And in copywriting or any type of email marketing related activities, this content of catchy but not misleading subject line is really important, because if you lie in a subject line to your potential reader about what's inside, they open it, they spend their fraction of time trying to see what's all about, and they understand that you lie to them, there is a huge mistrust then which appears in heart of your subscriber, and that is actually something that may give you better rates in the open rates of your emails, but it would be really, really bad for the loyalty retention of your customer. Conversion refers to when someone takes an action as a result of reading an email, for example, signing up for an event, purchasing a product, or even downloading an attachment. So this conversion of what you have done to make someone complete the action that you want them to complete. This is exactly about this conversion. We also have conversion rates. And this action, which the customer completed based on the call to action that you created in your email, this is exactly a conversion. This is exactly the moment of conversion. So these are the key email terms, and they more or less show what email marketing can help you with the most. And here is the source. And basically, we came to an end of this short online open lecture on MarTech, where we covered the fundamental parts and definitions and terms of email marketing, the fact that it is a huge part or huge symbiosis with marketing technology, because with emails based on automation, based on tagging, based on the understanding of when your subscriber is the most active, how you can improve the open rates, or what is the important topic for your subscriber. All that gets you closer to the understanding of the behavioral patterns of your customer. This can be done in a smaller scale and like on a small or medium business. So what works for you at the same time, it can be done, of course, on a really huge scale, for I don't know, on a scale of Amazon, or I don't know, any other type of online shops, right? Which gives very interesting results, but it works majorly for any type of business. And any type of email from your business to your customer is already a part of email marketing. I really hope it was useful for you. I really hope that you got this understanding of the link between email marketing and the marketing technology, and what email marketing actually currently is. Also, I would like to invite you to the Open Speaking Club, which is dedicated to the topics in marketing. You can see the QR code here, MarTalks. I will also leave the link in the description. Also, there are other open lectures like this one, so you can subscribe to the to my YouTube channel, and also you can leave your contacts and subscribe to my open lectures. Sometimes I have the offline ones, and maybe you will be close and visit for the in-room, in-class discussion. And also here is the MarTech guide, which is dedicated to those who just who are just starting, beginning their MarTech related career. Also those who are in marketing but would like to change into something related to the marketing technology. And this guide, I wrote it based on my 12 years of experience in teaching and learning, consulting, and working in corporate life. So I hope that it also will be useful for you. So with that, thank you very much. It was Maggie, and I'm really looking forward to welcoming you at any type of event which I host. And also, I hope it was really useful for you. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, I don't know, wishes, please leave them in a comment or write me directly. So have a very nice day, night, whatever. Have a very nice life. So see you in the future videos. I hope this.